Hello, in front of me I've got Glorious Model O. In this video I'll show you how to create macro. To create macro on your mouse, first let's go to Glorious Core App. Now enter key bindings, select button you would like to assign macro to and go to macro. Create new macro and select firstly cycle between no repeat, repeat while holding or toggle, and then start recording. Enter the macro, you can select from mouse and keyboard, save it and select it. Tap OK and it's done. You can also remove macros. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.